Okay. And this is my drawing, guys. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And this, don't forget one of these. But my shape is not beautiful. That's why I will draw something good. Like I can draw shape like that. Artist and a YouTuber.
Why?
Just to make subscribers and be rich. I'm drawing a shape right now, guys. Later, I will show it. This will take a few minutes. Wait. Don't forget. I will put the setting. I will wires just to get electricity. Forget the flag.
What flag? What country?
Philippines. Look at it.